what's up you guys, it's Golden Arrogance and welcome back to another Fashion Friday. That's pretty much where I do fashion, beauty, tutorial type of content, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and click subscribe. You're obviously going to enjoy yourself. Anyway, so today I'm going to be showing you how I laid and styled this wig that I got off of SHIEN. Yes, I know, I got this wig off of SHIEN, but they listed it as a human hair wig, so I was just too curious not to buy it. I'm gonna show you how I styled it and everything, and I'm also gonna do a burn test to actually even see if this is human hair. So let's get started. So this is pretty much what the wig looked like fresh out the box. It came with a couple things. It came with a wig cap, it came with a little satin carrying bag, which was nice. It came with extra clips and bobby pins, and this is what the wig looks like fresh out the pack. I didn't do anything to it. It didn't really have a smell to it. I mean, it kind of smelled, but it wasn't too bad. It wasn't nothing too surprising. Then I went to measure the wig just to make sure it was the correct length that I ordered, and it turned out to be longer than what I ordered. Anyway, so right now I'm just going through random parts of the wig and I'm just cutting off random strands of hair so I can do a burn test on. I wanted to burn the hair to see if it was actually human hair like it was advertised on SHIEN, and that's exactly what I did. So as you can see, the hair burned pretty nicely. I was actually surprised. It wasn't melting like synthetic hair. It didn't really clump up. It had that burnt hair smell, which was also nice, so at least it was a human hair wig. I cut random parts from the bottom, from the front, from the side, and also from the back, and all of them passed the burn test. So after burning random pieces of hair, then I went in to start plucking the wig. So I'll do a separate plucking tutorial when I have dark hair so you can actually see what I'm doing. But right now I'm just plucking the hairline so it looks a little bit more realistic and it looks a little bit more like scalp. When I first get hair, I don't pluck it a lot actually. I barely pluck it at all. That's not true, I be plucking it, but I don't pluck it a lot because especially when I'm getting hair from a new person, like for example, this is the first time that I ordered hair off of SHIEN, so I don't know how the hair is gonna be. I don't know if it's gonna shed a lot over time, so when I first pluck it and when I first install it, I only pluck it a little bit. Then if I want the hairline to look even more realistic, or after I've actually had the hair for a little while and I know how the hair is, then I'll pluck it some more. I pluck randomly in random spots, then I'm gonna part the hairline back, pluck it again, part the hairline back, pluck it again. You get the idea. So after I was done plucking it, or after I was satisfied with how it looked, then I went ahead and washed it. Like I said before, it had a smell. I mean, the smell wasn't that bad, but I just wanted to wash the wig before I actually put it on my head. And I also let it sit in the purple shampoo to tone it a little bit, so it's gonna look different in the next clip. So after I was satisfied with how the wig was looking, then I went in with prepping the lace. So right now I'm just rubbing cream foundation all over the lace, so when I melt the wig, it actually looks like scalp. All the products that I'm using, I'm gonna link them down below in the description, so if you're wondering what I'm using, just check the description box.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized.
So after I finished putting foundation all over the lace, then I went in and cut the little clips in the front of the wig off. I have a bald cap on, those are pretty much useless. So right now I'm just measuring out the wig just to see where I need to cut it. I had to cut a little bit on the ears so it can fit properly. Then I'm just gonna go in, clean my forehead, and apply my glue. I was so skeptical when I took this wig out the purple shampoo. I was like, I don't know if it's supposed to look like this. Girl, I went to go eat my oxtail and rice and peas, and I came back and it was just looking how it was looking. So I was like, fuck it, let me just put this in my head. So right now I'm just waiting for the glue to dry clear, then I'm going to lay that on. Then I'm going to take a little rat tail comb and just comb that hairline back, comb it in real good so it actually sticks. So now I'm just going to repeat the same thing to the other side.
Calm down, take it slow. See the girl, them a coming at me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not.
So right now I'm gonna cut off the lace, then I'm gonna go into styling the baby hairs. So just some quick notes on the hair. The hair is actually pretty nice. After the hair dried down a little bit, I actually liked the color that I toned it to. It actually started looking pretty good. And I was really surprised with the SHIEN hair. Not gonna lie, not gonna hold you. I didn't think it was gonna be this nice, honestly. So right now I'm just fixing up the part around the hairline. I'm putting a little bit more makeup on it. That's the one con with 613 hair. I kind of got some makeup in my hair, but you know, we move anyways. Man a chillin' in the studio, man a vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man a vibing all day. Who is she? Oh my god, is that Marilyn Monroe? Oh my goodness. Okay, so right now I'm parting some hair off. So then I'm going to use my hot comb to hot comb those down. I'm gonna curl them and I'm gonna turn them into baby hairs. Listen, I thought I was on my arrogance hate type stuff when I was doing my hair, but I burned myself with my curling iron. So if you see something on my forehead later in the video, don't ask me what that is. Alright, I just burned myself with my curling iron. I'm actually really emotional about it. I don't want to talk unless you're trying to send me money for my pain and suffering. Because Arrogant Tay told me to curl my baby hairs, and I was like, oh my goodness, I have a little tiny curler, sure. But I obviously did not know what I was doing, and I just burned my forehead, so don't talk to me about it unless you want to talk money. So right now, I'm just taking my little pink hot comb, and I'm hot combing the hair back. That's just to give it a little bit of, like a little bump, because the hair is kind of flat. It is straight hair, so it was a little flat. Yes, so right now we're curling the baby hairs. Oh my goodness, I actually kind of liked it like this. I almost left it like this and I almost didn't cut it. Right now I'm just taking my little eyebrow scissors and I'm cutting my hair. Well, I'm cutting the edges, and right now I'm trying to, you know, move some down. I should have used some gel. I don't know why I used mousse. I thought mousse would just be better for straight hair. It's not. The girls on the TikTok app were straight lying to me. It did not work. I should have used regular edge control. But anyway, we move. So I don't really have any cons for this hair. The only thing I don't like about this hair, or the wig itself, is the wig cap. The wig cap, you can kind of see it in the back. You can kind of see the tracks in the back. Like if someone is standing right behind you, they can see it. It's not super duper noticeable. I think I just noticed it because it's me, and I feel like the wig cap is a little bit too big for my head. It does come with an elastic band in the back, which I am using, but it was still kind of big. So after I got my edges lined down, now I'm just gonna section off my hair and straighten it. I wanted to see how this hair would take to heat. I didn't straighten it on like a high heat volume. I don't know. High temperature. That's what I'm thinking about, girl. Anyway, I'm gonna use my ion drops. Yes, I love this. I saw this in someone else's video. Can't remember who. But I love this as a heat protectant. It's so nice. So I'm gonna put that on the hair. I already massaged it in. Did it off camera, babes. And now I'm going to straighten the hair. I straightened the hair on like, I think 375 or something. I didn't want to try like 400 because, girl, like I said, I got this hair off of SHIEN. If SHIEN clothes are going to fall apart while I'm wearing them, then I didn't even know what this hair was going to do. So I just stuck with a nice 375, you know. I used my little heat protectant and then I went on about my business. Okay, I was just being pressed. I just wanted to use my new flat iron. So some quick notes after wearing this hair for about a week. The hair does shed a bit, not gonna lie, but it is 613 hair, so I guess that's to be expected. It does tangle a bit too, which I'm not a fan of. Like I said, all the products that I use, I'm gonna link them down below. And I'm actually gonna link them down below this time because sometimes I forget, but I'm gonna link them down below. So if you're wondering what I'm using, check the description box. Oh my god, who is she? Who is that? Let me stop. Okay, some quick thoughts on the hair. The hair is decent. That's all I'm going to give this SHIEN wig. Okay, I'm gonna give it like a 6.5 out of 10. The only reason I'm giving it a 6.5 out of 10, honestly, is because I don't know how this wig is gonna hold up yet. At the time of me recording this audio, I've had this wig in for about a week. It's still pretty nice. It does shed, but that's to be expected. It's 613. This is my first 613 wig that I'm owning, so ooh, shout out to SHIEN. But yeah, the hair's pretty nice. I am gonna have to trim the ends. I already know it. I already see, after wearing this hair for a week, I already see it coming. I'm gonna have to trim these ends the next time I install this hair. I think I might do like a wolf cut to this hair. That's gonna be so badass. It's gonna look so good. Like I mentioned before, the only con that I have on this hair is the wig cap. It does come with an elastic band in the back, and I am using the elastic band in this video, but I still feel like you can see the wig cap and the tracks like when you look really close in the wig, which I did not like. And I still feel like the wig cap itself is just kind of big on my head, but maybe I just have a really small head. Nonetheless, I still feel like this wig is really good. For the price, I mean, the price is pretty average. It's not like it was like a steal. The price is pretty average for a 613 wig that was this length, so that was good. Or the length that I purchased, not the length that they sent me, girl. So that's pretty good. Would I go to SHIEN to buy human hair? Probably not. SHIEN is not the first place that I would go to get a human hair wig, but I'm not disappointed in my purchase at all. I'm pretty satisfied with the purchase overall. I will be doing an update on this hair because like I said, I can already tell that I'm gonna need to cut the ends, so I'll probably cut it in a wolf cut, and I want to see how this hair takes to color, so I'll probably be dyeing it after I've had it for some time, like a couple months or something. And honestly, after this experience, I'll probably buy another human hair wig off of SHIEN again. I mean, I still really like this wig. I saw some curly wigs on SHIEN, which also piqued my interest, and they had some cute wigs on there. So I'll probably be getting another human hair wig off of SHIEN. Who knows? Anyway, since you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and click subscribe. You obviously enjoyed yourself. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. I'll post updates on the wig on there faster before I post it on here, so you should follow me on there too. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, share the video with your friends, and that's it. Oh my goodness, this is the end of the video now. Bye. So many souls, but I am broken. My angels watching over me, I know. My angels keep on telling me I'm chosen. I've been steady from missing on the low. So many souls, but I am broken.